Are you in need of waste management solutions? Look no further than Big Blue Dumpsters, your local experts in convenient dumpster rental in Pinellas Park, Florida. At Big Blue Dumpsters, we pride ourselves on delivering top-notch service. We promise fast delivery, strategic placement, and timely pickup. Whether you're remodeling your home, clearing out your garage, or managing construction debris, Big Blue Dumpsters provides reliable and affordable dumpster rental services right in your area. At Big Blue Dumpsters, we understand that every project and disposal need is unique. That's why we offer a wide range of dumpster sizes, ensuring you have the perfect fit for your requirements. And when you're done, a simple call is all it takes. We'll pick up the dumpster and responsibly dispose of the waste, making your cleanup as effortless as possible. Big Blue Dumpsters is committed to sustainability. We ensure all waste is disposed of in an environmentally responsible manner. Keep your project site clean and your mind at ease. Big Blue Dumpsters is your trusted waste management partner in Pinellas Park, Florida. Call us today at 727-584-8058 or visit us at www.bigbluedumpstersfl.com. Dumpster Rental Pinellas Park FL to get started. Big Blue Dumpsters, your trusted partner in Pinellas Park, Florida, for all your dumpster rental needs.